Okay, this is my 1984 Jeep EZ 750 Turbo. And for you turbo enthusiasts, you know they only made them 2 years, 1984 and 1985. Just giving you a panoramic of this bad boy. Get up close here. Little scratch here. The bike is fully intact. Give you a good look at the engine. The Cowie bad boy. Scrape there from the previous owner or whoever. But overall the bike's in pretty good shape. My turbo insignia. A close-up of the cooling fins right here. Alright, let's do a cold start. Let's do a cold start. The key on. Key on. Give it some choke all the way. Fast idle. See if this thing will go. Bike's a little stubborn to idle. It's got fast idle here. You can drop it down one. Sometimes it shoots a little smoke, but today it wants to behave. Stubborn to idle. Kind of tough to hold the camera, but you can get a feel for the bike. See, that's a little cool today. So she's idling now.